Hey guys, welcome to Leonardo Hermoso YouTube channel. And yes, I'm not Leonardo, I'm Jose Ricardo Tejain directly from Dubrovnik. Yes, again, you got it right, King's Landing in Croatia. Today I want to talk to you in this video about the dashboard, how we use the dashboard to get a better mathematical understanding on every currency, some assets, and how we manage our idea and risks. If you don't manage your risk, you will never make money in this business. I repeat, to win the business, because that's what it is, the business of trading and investing, you need to mind your risk. If you don't know how to manage your risk, how to control it, you will never make money. Okay? So the video is it's a bit slow. Let me see, now, okay? But what I want to do, let me see. Again. It's a little bit slow today, but I'm just going to make sure we get over this. And I'm going to go directly to the charts, the YouTube channel, and also the dashboard. All right? Let's get to work. Let me just scroll this down. And first off, if this is your first time visiting, please make sure you hit the button subscribe right there. You see it? Yes. And the bell. This way, every time that we upload content with ideas, not only how to use the dashboard, how to use the COT, again, dashboard that Leo coded, you will have all this information. And the better information you have before you place the trade, the better outcome. You need to ask yourself always, where is the asset class that you're looking to trade? If you ask the questions before you take the trade, better things will happen. And better things equals making money and more money for you. Okay? Perfect. Now, as I said, please, it will be a great help if you guys click the button subscribe. We know that you guys have interest. We know that you guys are improving. That will help us to keep building this content and get you guys to where you really want to be. It's making money in trading and investing. Now, this is our website. Always take a look at what we offer, coding services, the different packages that you can come to the trade room, join a group of international traders, international professionals that they don't, some of them, they're not only traders, they also have families, they have careers, they are doing something, but besides that, they say, you know what, I need to learn trading, I need to learn more about investing. COVID-19 showed everyone that the markets, if you go to the markets, you can still make some money. If you have a restaurant, the restaurant has to shut down, you can still go to the markets and make money. It's true. It's happening. So what are you waiting for? Join the trading revolution. Come and join us at our quantitative trading team, okay? And without further ado, here we go. Here is the dashboard. So today I want to share information on the Great British Pound versus the US dollar and the Great British Pound versus the Japanese yen. GBP, USD, GBP, JPY. Okay? Now first, let's start with the yen case. How do we use this? When you go to the dashboard, what it does for us is that give us a seasonality and volatility. The volatility indicates an estimation on how it moves in about the pip range. So we need to know, okay, is July a month where the pound goes up or not? And yes, it goes up. Now, we have to pay attention. Right now, the pound, if I take a look at the charts, the market watch, right now the ask is trading up around 134.39. The pound dollar is around 124.92. Keep those numbers over here, okay? Now, look at this. So, if it's trading at this is the last and this is the bottom of the band, what we need to understand is it moves all the way up to 744 pips. I repeat, up to 744 pips. It means from this level to the top band, I still have roughly 309 pips, give and take. That means I can make, if I bet one standard lot, I will try to bring the pencil, hopefully it's not too slow. If I go with one standard lot, then, see there, this will be a potential profit of 3 $3,000. Let me see. $3,000. Well, it's a bit slow. USD. Well, it's a little bit slow with, oh my God. There you go. USD. Okay, you guys got the memo. You understood the idea. Let me just remove the pencil, see if it doesn't slow the image. Okay, so that's the idea. Now, you also have to understand that there's a risk. It may go to the bottom band. It doesn't have to, but this is just an idea of understanding, okay, this is how much I can make. However, it will take this much, and I have to mind the risk. I have to understand where is the risk. So if the last price is 134.38, then I know it can drop about 400 pips. That can be a potential loss of $4,000. Now, you're the one that you have to decide. Can you take that risk? Yes or no? Hey, you don't need to really go all the way to the bottom band. You can take 200 pips. So that will give you close to a 2-to-1 risk-reward ratio. Now, in trading, the purists in trading, they always want to trade 3-to-1. Hey, 6-to-1. We even had opportunities of 10-to-1. It's not the case all the time. So you need to understand how to take the trades, minding the risk, understanding of potential loss as you mind and understand potential reward. That's all it is. And you cannot expect that all your trades are going to have a spectacular risk-reward ratio. It doesn't happen, guys. You have to be conscious. The reality is, if you have a business, not all the time you're going to squeeze 400% on every product you sell. That's ideally what you want to do. That's why a lot of companies, they outsource manufacturing to very low labor cost countries, so they can squeeze as much as they can on the high end and sell them, let's say, for example, shoes, or think about plates or anything. That's what they do. So they can then bring that back onshore and make a bunch of money in the upside before they pay for their employees, before they pay taxes. They can still exercise a huge and juicy profit. It doesn't happen all the time. Sometimes you have a wide range of products. Think about trades. You have a wide range of number of trades that you will place, and at the end of the month, some trades, they will have a huge, very nice risk-reward ratio, and some they will have a little bit less, not optimal, but still they will make you a little bit of money. That's what we want to do. That's where we want to be. So you can use this information to exactly do that, to manage your entries, always understanding what is your risk. Now, on the daily view of the dashboard, I know that my bottom band today, it's 133.44. That means that I have 100 pip estimated risk to the higher band, which is 134.90. That will yield 148 pips. So there you go. If I take one standard lot, I'm looking to make almost $1,500 with a risk of $1,000. That's not too bad. That's 1 to 1.5 risk-reward ratio. You see, you have that extra 50%. That extra 50% that puts you in the winner's circle. You have that opportunity to make money. You're starting to make that extra money. And that matters because you start adding up, you sum up, and at the end of the month, you have a good chunk of profits. Because now, if you think about it, every time you're winning 1 and 50% more of the risk. That's really good. You know, that's what we have to do, guys. Baby steps. So far, so good? Perfect. Now, let me share with you the values for the month of July when we come to trade the GBP USD. I'm going to switch this information, and there you go. Now, look at this information. The last price quoted 124.94 for the pound dollar, and the bottom band is 121.70. The top band is 127.20. What does that mean, Jose Ricaurte? Tell me more. Tell me more. Yes, guys, I will tell you more. Basically, If this is 125 and it goes to the top band 127.20, that means that on the table, probability for you to make money is around 220 pips. Hey, that's what it is, 220 pips, not bad. And now it means the top band doesn't mean it will stop there. This is just the statistical figures we have over the last 10 years. And that's exactly what Leo coded for all of us to make our trading better, to make our trading easier. All right? Now, on the daily, what do I expect? Today, it can go as high as 120 pips. Why? The bottom band, 124.21, and the top band, 125.42. So, if this is the case, and I'm trading 124.94, I can take 80 pips of risk. That's $800 if you place one standard lot, and then I would be looking to make $1,200. There you go. It looks a little bit better. Not perfect though. You can try for sure. You can absolutely go with 50 pips and you can accommodate yourself to a 2 to 1 risk reward ratio. Wonderful. But again, I don't want you guys to follow. I don't want anyone that's watching this video to fall for the fallacy, because I truly think it's a fallacy that every time you trade, every single trade will be 3 to 1, 6 to 1, or 10 to 1. Those will happen over time. But don't push yourself and wait for the perfect scenario. As a lot of people wait for the perfect business before they start a business. And they never do anything because that perfect idea, perfect setup, perfect environment, perfect moment never comes. All right? So always use the dashboard. If you're new to trading, it's easy for us to guide you, to teach you, to train you how to use this information. Everything is in a beautiful interface as Leo coded in this dashboard. We have the FX guide, we have the alerts, we have the, as I said, seasonality as well. We have the news search, we have the COT data that we use, we have the bias table. Everything has been coded to improve your trading results. That means help you to make money in financial markets. And I'm going to give you a quick overview on how it looks, how our trading group looks. There you go. Everyone say morning. These are the different channels where you can come and join our Slack group, quantitative trading group. You will have access to all these tools, not only the dashboard, but also you will have access to this Slack where we collaborate with international traders. Now, let me just go back to the website and I have it here. Let's just share the dashboard so you guys have one more view, access to the pound dollar. And one thing I wanted to share with you, this is something that I'm very proud. I talked to Leo about it. It's this conversation with one of our clients. In the first 2 days last week, the first 2 days of the month, he was already up $8,000. I repeat, he is up. Well, it was up because we closed for about $7,425 in profits on Friday. It was Thursday before NFP. We deleveraged the account. We reduced the risk. That was the mature move to do. Rather than look to hit a home run, some of the positions can actually be making a little bit like $2,000, an extra $2,000. But the mature move, guys, is always to reduce your risk. This is a client in Prague, Czech Republic. He's trading following our advices, comments on statistics, and all the mathematics that we apply, coming very easy information that comes from the dashboard. Available to all members that are part of Leo Hermoso's quantitative trading group. Now, why share this with you? And let me just go back to our website before I finish this video. Let me just go back and have a conversation. Guys, look, trading is easy. I talked to Leo, we were talking on Sunday. I talk to him on a weekly basis, sometimes day to day, depending how the overload of work and things that we have to do. Because in my case, I'm an analyst. I'm not a trader. I have no frustration to tell you guys that I'm an analyst. I joined Leo as an analyst. I look for opportunities. I look for ideas. I look for assets. I look for anything that will make us money. But also how we compile these synergies of different strategies and tools, and how we can make them easier for you. That's our goal. So erase from your mind the whole idea that this is a difficult and let me see because the video is a little bit slow, that this is a difficult venture. It is if you don't pay attention. It is if you don't mind the risk, if you don't manage the risk. It is if you go like a crazy girl or boy and use all you have in one single trade. You won't last. Before you do that, there's steps. So welcome to our channel. Once again, please click the subscribe button. I don't know what it is. Here, there. Woo! I know you see it. Please. Thank you for coming to our channel. This is the dashboard. The value, the real figures of money you can make following the statistic, the seasonality, the volatility, all that information that is coded in one single beautiful dashboard will improve your trading. And we have the team that can guide you to get there. I don't want to take much of your time. Again, I'm Jose Ricardo Tejain, directly from Dubrovnik in Croatia. I want to thank you for watching this video, and please don't be shy. There's the comment section. Ask any questions about trading, how to use the dashboard, and our views. I'm sure Leo will take the time to answer, and I'm positive I will as soon as oh, it's a bit slow. Yeah, let's see if I get it. It's a bit slow. Yeah, I think we got it. Yeah, the image is just a little bit slow. But we'll take the time to answer to all your questions, okay? Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next week on another great video, how to trade currencies with quantitative information here at Leonardo Hermoso YouTube channel. Ciao.